Good morning, one and all. Today's our first lecture of engineering mechanics. So basically today we will learn some basics of engineering mechanics, their classifications and etc. So the title of the subject is called as engineering mechanics. So as earlier we learned about the engineering. What is meant by engineer? Engineer is a human. Engineer is a human. तो काय करतो? इन्व्हेंट करतो तो कोणतं? काही मशिनरी करतात, काही टेक्नॉलॉजी करतात. तर हे टेक्नॉलॉजी मशीन्स हे काय करतात? इट विल रिड्यूस द ह्युमन वर्ड. इट रिड्यूस द ह्युमन efforts. It reduce the human efforts. Then second word is called as mechanics. Second one is called as mechanics. But mechanics क्या है? It is simply include the study of forces. It simply include study of forces. Okay. Now forces acting on where? Forces are acting on bodies. Forces acting on bodies. Body may be in solid state, it may be in liquid state, it may be in gaseous stage. Okay, but liquid and gases will not be covered in our first year syllabus. It will be included for the mechanical and civil engineering in terms of fluid mechanics. But here all bodies are solid. The forces है, forces कोणावर ऍक्ट करणार आहे? बॉडीजवर ऍक्ट करणार आहे. बॉडीची पोझिशन कशी राहते? एक तर बॉडी मोशन मध्ये राहील और बॉडी रेस्ट कंडिशन मध्ये राहील So this is the basic fundamentals of engineering mechanics. Now we have to prepare the definition for engineering mechanics. So engineering is a branch of science. So engineering mechanics is a branch of science which deals with the study of forces acting on the body when body is at rest condition or in motion. That is simply the definition of engineering mechanics. Once again I am going to repeat it. Engineering mechanics is a branch of science that deals with the study of forces acting on the body when body is at rest condition or in motion. So simplify, some words are important in the definition. सायन्स ची ब्रांच आहे, आपल्याला माहित आहे. इंजिनिअरिंगला ऍडमिशन घेतो तर काय करावं लागते? पहिले सायन्स 12वी सायन्स झालेलं पाहिजे, त्यानंतर आपल्याला इंजिनिअरिंगला ऍडमिशन भेटते. तर ब्रांच इंजिनिअरिंग कडून उगम झालेला आहे, सायन्स मधून. तर मेकॅनिक्स काय करते? स्टडी ऑफ फोर्सेस कोणावर ऍक्ट करणार आहे? बॉडीवर ऍक्ट करणार आहे. तर बॉडीची पोझिशन कशी राहील? एक तर सायलेंट मध्ये रेस्ट कंडिशन मध्ये राहील किंवा मोशन मध्ये राहील. सो दिस कन्सेप्ट इज कॉल्ड एज इंजिनिअरिंग मेकॅनिक्स. नाउ इंजिनिअरिंग मेकॅनिक्स इज ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. तो फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टॅटिक and second one is called as dynamic. आता हे क्लासिफिकेशन कशावरून बनलं आहे? इट इज फ्रॉम द पोझिशन ऑफ द बॉडी. When body is at rest, then this condition is called as static. When body is at rest, then condition is called as static. When body is in motion, then it's called as dynamic. So now see, we have to prepare the static definition for static and dynamic also. So static now is the branch of mechanics. That deals with the study of forces acting on the body. Okay, when body is at rest condition, then this is called as static aspect. And what about dynamic? In case of rest, we have to make body is in motion. So Kyle definition, dynamic is also branch of mechanics that deals with the study of forces acting on the body when body is in motion. That is called as dynamic. Then nextly, again dynamic will be classified into two parts. First one is called as kinetic and second one is called as kinematics. Okay, so these are the two branches of dynamics. Simply start from the mechanics. Mechanics is broadly classified into two parts, static and dynamic. Static means the body is at rest condition and dynamic is the body is in motion, where dynamics is again classified into kinetics and kinematics. Now definition of kinematics and kinetics काय करता येईल आपल्याला? आता बॉडी तर दोन्ही केसमध्ये मोशन मध्ये आहे. बट एखाद्या वेळेस काय होते की आपण समर मध्ये गाडी चालवतो, रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही साईडनी रस्ते मोकळे आहे, तर हवेचं प्रेशर आपल्याला जर गाडी स्पीड मध्ये जर असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये काय आहे की हवेच्या प्रेशरमुळे आपल्याला जाणवते की गाडी कुठेतरी स्पीड कमी करायला पाहिजे किंवा गाडी स्लिप होऊ शकते. दॅट प्रेशर व्हेन वी आर कन्सिडर, देन दिस कंडिशन इज कॉल्ड एज कायनेटिक And when where external force of agency means that air pressure is not considered, then it is called as kinematic. Then it is called as kinematics. Okay. Now this is simple the definition of mechanics and their classification: static, dynamic, kinetics, and kinematics. Okay. Thank you so much.